Welcome back, everyone. Let's start with the analysis. Little bit late today. Let's see. So, GBP. Daily, nothing much over here. 4 hour is negative. It's in a fair value gap. 1 hour also negative. 1 hour order block. Okay. So we will sell GBP if it breaks this level. That is a sweep over here. Yeah, it's holding this level so it can give a breakout for the upside. If 3 minute break of structure at this zone, then also we can enter. Plan. Sell GBP 3 or 5 break of structure. And then Euro. Euro looks bullish, to be honest. It gave a breakout. This was a retest. It can continue for the higher side. Let's see. Okay, so it's negative. This is a good candle. Sweep, inverted hammer. If I want to sell, then I would prefer Euro over GBP because it's a good candle. Okay, nice. Yeah, this one is better. It might close below this low before session start. If that happens, then we want a retest. So I would prefer to sell Euro over GBP. Break of structure, retest, and 1 minute order block. So if it breaks that level, then 5 minute OB plus 1 minute break of structure. Then we have AUD. AUD is bullish. There is a fair value gap. It might retrace to this zone, then continue higher. So, okay, this is not bad. Breakout retest. This is not a great. It might go up, but the problem is it has moved straight. It should retrace somewhere over here, then continue. That would have been a better trade. If I enter over here, it's still a good trade, but it can sweep, then continue. I might not trade, but let's see if something comes up. Then I'll go with a little less than half quantity. 5 minute break of structure. Even if 5 minute break of structure, I want a retest. 5 minute order block plus 1 minute break of structure. That might not happen. That's like we need double confirmation to enter. Then JPY. JPY is also bullish. I prefer when all the pair. Okay, so JPY is bullish. That's a good thing because other pairs are bearish. So JPY should be bullish. So that's a confluation that gives me a overall tone of the market. Daily it's really bullish, and 4 hour also bullish. 1 hour very good. JPY is a good. We will get a good trade in JPY. Nice. Yeah, there is a easy trade in JPY. We just need break of this zone and we can end in 3 minutes. 3 minute break of structure. Easy. Then we have gold. We started the stream a little late. I was busy a little. So gold is bearish. 4 hour order block. There is a fair value gap for upside. So IFVG. Gold is bearish in 4 hour, but uh, we might not trade gold. It has double signals. That's why. Yeah, this is nice. So I will not consider this because 4 hour and 15 minute both are bearish. 1 hour is bullish, but we have two time frame telling us that it's bearish. I want it to be in this zone, then 1 minute break of structure. Sell gold 15 FVG plus 1 break of structure. Okay, so we might not get a trade in GBP. That's good. It was low probability. I will look out for gold, especially JPY then. Okay, JPY. Let it close. I will not enter early like before. Gold, there is time in. Okay, we are getting a trade in euro also. What was the plan? 1 minute break of structure. Okay, we got. I'm a little late. Chart. I missed the entry. I will place a limit order. If I get the entry, then it's good. Otherwise, nothing can. 7. Okay, we are in euro. So I think we will get 3 trades. One in gold, one in JPY. I'm I'm placing a limit order on the retest of this level. Okay, gold. 1 minute break of structure and we will enter in gold. Oh, JPY. Almost there. So we are in JPY. And last but not the least, we are also okay. I'll wait. It hasn't closed yet. I won't repeat the mistake that I did earlier. So we are in 2 trades. We are in JPY. Okay, we are done with all the 3 trades. Now only one thing is left, that is to monitor. Guys, I have a little work, so there will be a cutscene and I will come back and okay, so we are back. I'm not profitable, so I have things to do at home too. So sorry about that. Let's go over our entries. Don't worry, I will be as transparent as I can be. Here is my open trades. There, here you can see all the 3 trades that are open. and let me draw it in the charts too. So we have one trade in JPY, might hit a SL in Euro, but gold and JPY looks good, especially gold, because when gold moves, it moves. We all know that. Okay. My entry was on this candle and my SL is, no, it was on this candle. Swing high. And most of these targets are on the swing, so that's a good thing. Trades are good. If any of them hits SL, then these are good SL. And Euro, I might hit SL in Euro. I sold it on the breakdown as planned in 1 minute, because 3 minutes takes a little longer. Than my SL is over 84, 85, somewhere around here. Okay, so these are my open position, and now let it run. When it will retrace, then we will trail. JPY is good because the target is, see this, the concept of my trading is more of taking logical trades. It doesn't have to be very good trades. It's more about money management and risk reward. So even if I take silly trades and follow my risk management and SL, then eventually I should make money. That's the whole concept. That's what I have learned so far. That setup is not that important. If you have a good setup, then of course you can make more money, but if you follow your plan, setup is not that important. If you follow your plan, then yeah, you can still make money. Setup, a good setup can increase your edge and you can make more. Risk management, psychology, these are more important. That's what I'm focusing at, because like you can see, I don't do too much analysis. In 5 minutes I can analyze all the five pairs. We might hit SL in gold. See now, like this was moving, now it's reversing. We thought that we will hit SL in Euro, but now it's moving in our favor. That's a good thing. It came in the zone. There is already 1 minute break of structure in Euro. Let me show you. See now, nothing to do, just to trail. Okay, let me cut scene and I will update. Okay, so so far we hit 2 SL, one in Euro, and we lost 25, and in gold we lost another 25, and JPY is still running. Okay, this might also hit an SL. I'll update. You can see in the description what happened of the trade, and I'll update my trades in my Twitter. The handle is in the description. If it crosses above this level, closes about this level, then I'll trail over here and then let it run. Most likely it will hit the SL2. One thing I realized that in euro gold, that now it looks so obvious when you look it again. 1 hour fair value gap, displacement, uh normal candle, enter in the fair value gap, 5 minute break of structure, and you could have entered here. But I saw this and this fell. Okay, so there was a 4 hour fair value gap acting as a magnet too, so this wasn't a good trade. I should have actually, this was a very bad trade to sell. There was a break of structure over here, so I should have looked for longs rather than shorts. I went with only one confluence. I didn't have much time to analyze, so I saw this inverted hammer, so I thought it can continue lower to the swings, take liquidity. This was a very bad trade. It was a very easy upside. And even though if I was looking for buys, considering this fair value gap, even though I was looking for sells, my I should have gone with half quantity. I should have not lost $25. I should have lost half. Same in gold. If you look at this, there is a I see my confluence was that this was 4 hour order block over here. 1 hour was bullish, but then I saw 15 minutes. So we had two time frame telling us that it's bearish, and for confirmation we went in 1 minute that we want a 1 minute break of structure. Then I'll enter. That's what we did. It wasn't a bad trade. I was wrong, but I should have lost half, not full quantity, because when one time frame is saying it's bullish and another is bearish, we have more confidence towards bearish, so I should have went with half quantity when we are not sure. That's one thing, money management, I have to take care when to go half, when to go full. That's fine. And I might also hit SL in JPY. Yeah, it's going down, so this is gonna end bad for us. Here is the trade, one running trade, JPY history, you can check. Yeah, 2SL, $50, one in gold, one is euro. The stats do not update, they take few times, so it's not updated. Fine, but you can see over here it's live. 2SL, one in gold and another in euro, lost $50, and we have a running trade that might hit SL. So we took trades were not, euro was a wrong trade. I should have looked for longs, not for short. So that was a bad trade. Gold, I can say I was wrong, but I should have not lost on full quantity. I should have lost half quantity. And in a way, I should have made money in euro if I analyzed it right. Had analyzed. No trade in GBP if there was any, and AUD. Now there is a trade. This is the 3 minute as we planned. This is a 3 minute breakout structure. We can keep as I won't trade because our rule is 3 trades and we are done for the day. If I would have, then this is what I would trade. This is a paper trade. Let's see what will happen. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.